Good morning, friends, and this is 18th of March. Namaste amigos and welcome back to your channel. By February 2020, most of the countries had the coronavirus. However, one of the last continents where coronavirus reached, that was South America. Normally the cruise ships have two different seasons, a winter season and the summer season. We had 2 cruise sailings left in the season, after which the cruise ships were scheduled to go to Europe. We were doing 7-day cruises out of Santos, Brazil, heading to Buenos Aires, where we had an overnight, and we had 2 ports in Uruguay, Montevideo and Punta del Este. We had 2 more cruise sailings left from 15th to 21st and 21st to 29th. One of the first countries to shut down the borders completely was Uruguay, and that happened on 13th of March. As Uruguay closed borders and we had 2 ports of Uruguay in our itinerary, it was decided to go ahead with the sailings by only going to Buenos Aires and skipping Uruguay, as Uruguay had just closed borders. So we started our second last sailing of the season on 15th of March. But on the 16th, we came to know that Buenos Aires and Argentina also had shut down the borders, and they were not allowing any flights and even cruise ships to travel, and we started heading back to the port of Santos, and we arrived on the 18th instead of 21st. Good afternoon, friends, and हम पहुंच रहे हैं पोर्ट ऑफ सांतोस में. We were supposed to arrive 9 o'clock in the morning. शायद कुछ restrictions हैं, सांतोस पोर्ट भी शायद बंद है, कुछ आइडिया नहीं है. हम दोपहर तक रुके रहे 12 o'clock. अभी nearly 1 o'clock हो रहा है, and we are expected to arrive 1 o'clock, and we are supposed to disembark all the guests. I hope we can disembark. सारे airports कोरोना वायरस की वजह से right now they are being closed. Buenos Aires, as you know, हम जा नहीं सके because it was locked down, it was closed down, the city is closed down, and all the major cities are starting to close down. Santos is the port of Sao Paulo, Brazil. सबसे बड़ा पोर्ट है, एज यू नो. साओ पाउलो से फ्लाइट्स जा रही है या नहीं, वी डोंट नो. अगर आप घर पे हो तो घर में भी आपके सराउंडिंग में ऑल द सिटीज़, काफ़ी सिटीज़ दे आर लॉक डाउन, एंड आई वुड रियली सजेस्ट कि आप यू स्टे होम, बी सेफ. जो एल्डरली लोग हैं उनका टेक केयर कीजिए, बिकॉज दे आर मोर ससेप्टेबल टू द डिजीज़ एंड ऑल्सो टू डेथ. So ship clearance मिल गया है. The pilot boats मेरे पीछे हैं. They're going to pick them up. अब ऐसा लग रहा है कि शायद we will go. All the guests have to disembark the passengers. And we arrived on the 18th instead of 21st to bring all the passengers back, and then they left the ship. We had to shut down the entire operation and close down shop, and all the crew were eventually going to be sent home. This was on the 18th of March. The story begins from here. और उसके बाद ऐसा सिचुएशन है कि जैसे ही पोर्ट्स वर लॉकडाउन, ऑल द क्रू इज़ मेड टू डिसम्बार्क. हमने भी सारा ऑपरेशन सारा बंद कर दिया है. वी आर जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर आवर फ्लाइट टिकट्स. जो सारा क्रू है धीरे धीरे निकलेगा. ऑफकोर्स जो मैनेजमेंट है, जो मैनेजर्स है, दे विल लीव द लास्ट आफ्टर 2-3 days. लेकिन इमीडिएट क्रू जो बहुत दूर रहता है, दे आर ट्राइंग टू मेक देम गो आउट फास्टर, क्योंकि जो दूर रहते हैं उनको टाइम भी लगेगा. प्लस वी डोंट नो जो कनेक्टिंग फ़्लाइट्स है. अभी ब्राज़ील से मुझे इंडिया जाना है, मुझे मुंबई जाना है, तो कौन सा फ़्लाइट मिलेगा भाई? वाया यूरोप होगा तो फिर क्वारंटीन. आई डोंट नो व्हाट्स द करंट सिचुएशन इन इंडिया, इन मुंबई, महाराष्ट्र. Even if I reach Mumbai, I don't know if there is a hospital quarantine or a home quarantine, or I have a 1-day quarantine or I have a 14-day quarantine. It is a bit unclear about the situation in Mumbai right now. बहुत ही अनसर्टन फ्यूचर लग रहा है, बट आई एम अ पॉजिटिव पर्सन. यू नो, टेक केयर ऑफ योर टीम्स, टेक केयर ऑफ योर स्टाफ, टेक केयर ऑफ योर वर्कफोर्स. I really hope my staff goes home safe and sound and reaches home safe and sound without getting the virus, because फिर वो infect करेंगे दूसरे लोगों को, and that's not good. So everyone should self quarantine themselves 14 days as they are suggesting. The shutting down operation takes a minimum of 2 to 3 days, and it can go up to 2 weeks as well.